The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video on the ZTE Blade A3 Prime for visible wireless. So this is a new phone for visible wireless. It's available now for $99. The Blade A3 is a budget phone, so they keep it in mind. You'll have 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in that right there. There's a front and front end. You do have your earpiece, front-facing camera, power and volume keys will be on the rest of the phone now. And I think this is an 18:9 screen or something like that. It's kind of hard to tell here. Just from the right side of the phone, volume and power keys. On the back of the ZTE Blade A3 Prime, we do have dual cameras. Fingerprint sensor, ZTE logo in the speaker, and it has like this texture design on the rear. Then you have dual cameras. It kind of looks like you have two camera flashes, but I think you have. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. It looks like you do have two camera flashes, but I'm sure you do have dual cameras on this thing. But it's kind of hard to tell. So, yeah. So you do have a bright design. The design looks very nice. It says standout modern design and quality build. That standout modern design and quality build that gets noticed. Taller and brighter display. Large 5.45 inch display. That is a CMP display. Maximizes videos, browsing, and multitasking. Brighter photos and selfies. Dual rear flash. Okay. So you have two rear flashes. That's kind of interesting. So you have the dual rear flash and front-facing flash cameras, tackle, low light settings. That's kind of weird that you have two camera flashes on the back. It's kind of weird. Bright touches, rear fingerprint sensor, and face unlock delivers ultimate convenience and efficiency. So that's not bad for $99. That's a win. So you do get fingerprint sensor and face unlock on this one. More bright ideas, of course, Android 10. It's easy to navigate. 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable up to 2 terabyte. Gets demand, 2660 minute battery. That's a removable battery with smart power efficiency that can last all day. So, yeah, you do get a removable battery, so that's a win. That's a learning now. Specs on here are okay. I mean, they're okay. You do get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM. You'll have a MediaTek processor on board. That's a MediaTek 6761 quad-core processor at 2 GHz, Android 10, 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Fingerprint sensor built into the back of the device. Rear camera is 8 megapixels with dual flash in the rear, which is interesting. Your dimensions on the Blade A3 Prime is 5.77 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.38 inches depth. The Blade A3 weighs 5.79 ounces. Display size is 5.45 inches. That's 18:9 HD plus. That is 1440 by 720, and you'll have 2660 mAh battery, and the battery is removable, so that is a plus right there. So there you guys have it. The ZTE Blade A3 Prime is now available wireless for $99. This is a budget smartphone. The specs on here are okay. What the biggest selling point about this phone is it does have Android 10. You do get a removable battery, so that's a win. So that's like a rare now with batteries. So if you buy a phone now, batteries cannot be removed. But this phone's battery can be removed and replaced, so that's a win. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, first one for a kid or whatever, the ZTE Blade A3 Prime is worth checking out. The phone does look very nice, especially on the rear of the phone. So there you guys have it, the Blade A3 Prime from Visible and ZTE. And speaking of ZTE, Visible is killing it with the ZTE phones. Like Visible is like the only carrier that is getting ZTE phones. No other carriers are getting ZTE phones except for Visible. So if you guys like ZTE phones, Visible has you covered with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, you guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.